They're all in line. They're off in the Sword Dancer. Glorious Empire broke very well. Fantastic came out running in second position early on. Channel Maker is third on the outside, and they're followed by Bigger Picture and High Happy. In behind them is Spring Quality, who sits back 5 lengths from the early pace. Sea Henge is next, and then comes Highland Sky, revved up to the outside, and late running Sadler's Joy settles at the back of the pack, some 12 lengths off the lead, and they're moving right along up front. Glorious Empire ahead of Channel Maker. These two a length and a half apart. Moving very quickly here through a 23.16 opening quarter mile as they turn into the stretch for the first time. Fantastic is 5 lengths behind this hot pace. High Happy is fourth on the outside. Spring Quality is fifth alongside of Bigger Picture. Then a covered up Highland Sky with Sea Henge to the outside of him. Revved Up is next, and Sadler's Joy still about 12 lengths behind after a 48.18 half mile. So Julien Leparoux slowing the tempo down here with Glorious Empire. They're in front by a length and a half. Channel Maker continues to pursue from second. Fantastic is third. High Happy fourth. Bigger Picture on the outside of Spring Quality. Sea Henge in behind them. Riding the inside is Highland Sky into that turn, then Revved Up. And last of them all is Sadler's Joy. 3/4 in 1:13.88 seconds. Onto the backstretch with Glorious Empire in front. And now Channel Maker gets a little bit closer on the outside. He's only 3/4 of a length behind. Fantastic and High Happy are next. Then Bigger Picture racing on the outside of Spring Quality, who's still 5 lengths off the lead and on the hedge. Then Sea Henge on the outside. Highland Sky revved up, and Sadler's Joy. They continue their run for the far turn here. Glorious Empire, Channel Maker, 1-2 throughout so far. Fantastic is 2.5 lengths off of them. Then High Happy in fourth as they make their way around the far turn. They're followed by Spring Quality to the inside of Bigger Picture. Sea Henge is next, Highland Sky. And the trailers are Sadler's Joy and Revved Up, and they're coming to the top of the stretch. Glorious Empire still there in the Sword Dancer. Set down for another furlong, trying to keep this lead. Channel Maker is 2 lengths behind in second. The others need to get going now. Spring Quality is third, and Glorious Empire still got run. Glorious Empire's gonna do it all the way under Julien Leparoux taking the Sword Dancer. And then it was Channel Maker second, followed by Spring Quality and High Happy.